Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm going to show you how to make crispy tofu in an air fryer, so stay tuned. I don't like tofu, not really at least, but today, first time I was ever like, that's good and I actually want to eat that. So I want to share it with you. So I got some extra firm. The firmer it is, the less water it has. First, you're going to want to cut your tofu into even cubes, then press out as much water as possible. You want to get it as dry as you can. I used a clean dish towel, but paper towels work too. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. I use sesame oil, add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, and then 1 tablespoon of arrowroot or cornstarch. You're going to mix it all together, and then you're going to want to spread it evenly into your air frying basket. I fry it at 390 degrees for 10 minutes, stirring halfway through. Add more time if you didn't get the desired crunchiness. It tastes like a fried egg, so like a crispy outside, but still like an egg texture. And then I steamed some vegetables, asparagus and broccoli in my bamboo steamer and created a lovely meal that we both enjoyed very much. Couldn't believe how good it turned out. The link is in the description for the air fryer and for the bamboo basket. And there you have it. I just went and gave my husband his and he said it's awesome. So if you wanted to, you can always add a little bit more sauce on top, like the coconut aminos, or you don't have to use coconut aminos. That gives it like a sweeter flavor versus soy sauce. Soy sauce is more of just a salty flavor, so we like the coconut aminos in our house. So I hope you make it. If you do, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go and eat this. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.